Into the phaser runner.
Bruh. Yeah. You there?
Oh fuck, dude. I don't know how
I know
to
you
do
got
it.
a mic horizon, bro. Mic up, bro. I can see the icon, bro. You can't fool me, bro.
I don't even know what's my fucking
I
thing.
can see it, bro.
What?
My push to talk.
Bro, just turn off push to talk, bro. Just open mic, bro. No balls. No balls.
It's not
No
that.
balls.
I just
No balls.
genuinely don't know how to turn on my push. I don't know what
Oh,
my push
dude,
to talk
okay.
is.
Oh, shit.
Playback.
And I can't look right
Okay,
now.
Drew.
Oh, shit. Oh, bro. Horizon.
someone behind us.
Down. You're not him. Oh, dang. Rampart, like, dead.
Fuck,
Really
it's
low.
alright.
Okay.
Come here. Oh, don't come here.
How do
Go
I...
away.
So free.
Let's go.
I gotta figure out how my fucking... What's my push to talk? I can't even, like, check it.
You can't, like, there's
Oh,
no
you can't
sleeping
talk,
on me.
or I'm
Oh,
confused.
dude.
No,
I had my streaming.
would have...
Oh, by the way, I'm streaming right now. This is my first stream ever.
I genuinely can't figure out how to, like, check what my push to talk is.
It's nothing special. I mean, I'm him, but not like him. You know?
I don't know what
hear
the...
you.
Well, no, I'm for in-game. Like, because our teammate's talking to me. But I can't...
I can't hear him either. Like,
I mean,
maybe because you're in
Yeah,
a
they're right here.
party.
Oh,
No, because you're in my party,
he's
so...
using funny long gun.
Holy
every
mother of
single shot.
fuck, I am gonna
Not
just
dead.
get shot from behind by this dick. That's alright. How can I... Dude,
What the?
what the fuck is my push to talk?
Oh, I got fucked.
Dude, this could fucking help me.
I literally can't see.
Jesus Christ, dude.
Oh, no way. Oh, you're so like a pet, an animal. That's fine. I need to get justified. But so that's
Fuck, I was literally right there to be able to
Yeah.
figure out what my push to talk button was.
I'm sorry, Tim.
God
I swear.
fucking damn it. Push to talk, hold T.
Oh, you're so lucky you found.
Yo, sorry, but dude, I literally have spent this entire time trying to figure out what my fucking push to talk is.
Oh wow. You know you could just settings, keybinds, or just turn it off.
No, I figured it out now. I figured it out now.
Alright. Oh, you know?
No, I just play. I mean, I play on PC, but I'm a controller player, so.
Oh, is that why you're playing with the console player?
Partially. Also, just he's a friend of mine, and he doesn't own a PC, so.
Oh, Pathy right here, low.
Son of a bitch. God, he's trash. Fuck! Damn it.
Fuck me.
So free.
Dude, just fuck me. That was funny as shit.
I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm not bad, bro. I got that stupid song stuck in my head. So
God
how's your
fucking
night
damn it.
or morning or whatever time zone you're in? I'm
It's
guessing
good,
the
man.
Same one, same.
Yeah, I mean,
that's dope.
in Colorado, so the mountain time. But it's good, man. How about yours?
It's pretty good. I decided to stream today for no reason.
Hey, there you go.
Figured that
That's the way to do it.
Yeah. First time. There's a few things I need to figure out, but it's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's a learning thing, man. Like I've been streaming
It
for a
came
little
out.
bit, and you know, there's still things that I can do to improve.
Yeah.
You
guess
just
it's like
fucking
that.
freak.
Oh, what's your Switch? I could, I'll stop by sometime.
I'm gonna die. Yep, they're all fucking back here.
They're all being dumbs.
But yeah, my Twitch is the same as my my tag on here, just the Death Reaper 5549.
Oh. Alright.
Dude, you fucking asshole.
Oh. Please, let me go.
One's up here, guys.
What are you doing?
Ooh.
Leave me alone. Oh, I'm so bad. Leave me alone.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Oh, leave me
Okay, there you
alone.
go. There you go.
Leave me alone.
Ooh, ooh. That's. Oh, there's two of them still.
Oh.
Ah,
Ah,
that's alright. That's alright, man. Alright, Chase, let's fucking get it. I gotta pay more attention to where they're coming. Like, because I've had multiple where they just drop behind me, man.
yeah. No fucking
wow.
kills.
I think I'm the same, so I feel that. Alright, they came through
They
again.
came through.
Biggest bird. Oh, people. Yeah, they can.
Oh shit, don't go down, go down, go down.
Okay, man. Uh-oh.
Damn.
Yeah, passing crack.
They're all up there.
Yep.
There's a shield back and that's in there. Don't go too deep. Rush thing
Coming
goes
up the
past
flank.
I got nothing. I gotta heal. Or I'm gonna. Oh, I'll just die.
it. Come here. Oh, what are you doing? Come back.
Nice.
Go!
Good shit.
Yes, sir.
All right. Can we finish this game with a win and a kill? I'm not very confident in that second one. Fuck, man. I gotta switch up my strategy here. Oh wait, I have 2 kills apparently. What?
I thought I killed one guy last round, but I guess I did.
I know for a fact I didn't.
Not the right thing. That's me. Leave me alone. Oh, that's even me.
Oh fucking
Kobe.
shit!
Oh, be careful. They're like right there. Pathy almost cracked. What are you doing, Pathy?
God damn it!
Me.
I cannot hit fucking shots for shit.
I know. There's a guy right below us, clicks.
It's a dude like right above me, basically.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Dick sauce, motherfucker! Oh my
Okay.
god.
Oh, okay.
Oh, right in front of you. For a flank.
Nice.
Yeah.
So,
Good shit.
I didn't do a fucking
Hell yeah, that was a
thing.
good one.
yeah, Rampart got annoying. or freaking Sheila.
Yeah, dude. Seriously.
I think his back. Tell him that his back hurts.
Oh, my back. Oh, jeez, man. I don't know if these guys are just bad or if I'm playing good, but Apex is feeling extra fun.
Hell yeah, man. That was a good game for you, bro.
Yeah, it was pretty alright. You trying to party up? I know you got this other dude in too.
Probably not tonight, man, but I'd definitely be down to do it some other time for sure.
Alright, but yeah, see.
All right, later, dog. He was a nice dude.
This is the House of Slytherin.